Greetings to you beautiful souls. Let's learn this simple style again, just with pieces of Akara material. You can see what I have in my hand here, just pieces of Akara material, and you're going to use it and get something beautiful on your head. Yes, and this head wrap need no pin, no rubber band. No pin, no rubber band, and you're good to go. Alright, so placing it on your head this way, I took some pleats, but the pleat is optional. If you like, you can take it. If you like, you can leave it. If you don't want, you can leave it. I'm taking the pleat on this multiple color fabric. It does not really show, but I just want to take that pleat to reduce the length because I'm not going to cover the back because of my hairdo. Alright, so you can go ahead and do your own straight. So it's not really necessary for you to plait, but if it is plain material now ahead, if you plait it, the plait will be very, very outstanding. Alright, so plaiting it now and taking everything to my back. Just pay close attention. It's very easy, very simple. Taking everything to the back, then I cross it, just cross it from the back. Alright, so adjust it a little bit so that it will be very equal. Both sides will be equal. Alright, so bringing it up, watch closely. I'm checking so that I will not use the wrong side of the fabric. Alright, so bringing it up together like this, I will knot it, just knot it once. Okay, so that line now that you knot will be the base where you're going to fold this excesses now and cross it. Alright, so you see this one now is up, so watch closely, is from down. This one came after knotting it is down, so I'm folding it and bringing it out from up. If you put it from down, it's going to lose, that knot will lose. Alright, so when you knot it, the one that is down, you fold it and raise it up, then the one that is up, you put it from the under. Alright, so putting it like this and then stretching it out. It can go 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, depending on how long your fabric is. This particular hairstyle needs the head wrap, the fabric to be very long. Alright, so this is it now. This one I have now go 3 times. So you now stretch it out. Those ones that you folded it, just stretch them out and you are good to go. Just stretch it out. You saw what I am doing there. Then you now fold and put them inside together. This place, if your own is not long enough to go inside, you can use pin, but this is long enough. The way I folded it, it can go inside to cover those 3 folds that I did, so you will not know where one or the other one end and where the other one begins. So just fold it, raise it up and put them inside. So what we did to this side now is what we are going to do here. So you can see, as I told you, this knot now, this one is down, so up, so we are going to fold it and drag it from the down. Alright, so pay close attention to my hand now. So you continue dragging it that way until you exhaust what you have. Then you arrange your head wrap and you are good to go. Very easy, very simple. No rubber band, no pinning is required in this particular head wrap. Alright, so the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Igele Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. Subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Let's learn together. Yes, let's learn together. Alright, so please don't just watch and walk away. I am begging you. Yes, you that is watching me right now. Don't just watch and walk away. Drop your like, drop your comments on the comment sections. Come, let's learn together. Subscribe to my channel. Let us learn together. Please share my video. Above all, practice. Practice, they say, makes perfect. Continue practicing. Before you know it, you are good to go. You are good to go. So thank you so much, all my new subscribers, all my old subscribers. I say kudos to you all. Thank you so much for helping me to stay tuned on this channel, and I beg you, those ones that have not subscribed, please subscribe. Let us learn together. Yes, so you can see it now. The head wrap is beautifully ready, elegantly ready to rock the party. Is beautiful for all events. Very simple, easy head wrap, but elegant. So you can see you in my next video.